Back again. It's clear day in the market, and today I'll be doing a review on Webull. Now, before I go into the review, I know you guys may be wondering what is this channel about. It's about my stock market journey. I have a stock market portfolio that you guys could follow, how I gain and lose, my happy, my down days. It's a quick preview of what my channel is about if you want to stick around. Now let's get into the Webull review. Webull is a new app that just came out. Well, not just to say, like a month ago or 2 months ago, and it's like a competitor to Robinhood. Now, when you first go on Webull app, you come directly to the watch list overview, right? This is where you make a portfolio. Like, say for instance, your portfolio on Robinhood, you could bring it here by copying everything you have to here. You could get a watch list, like your up and down. So when you first open a Webull app, you will get your daily gains, your opening, your market gains, everything, right? Now, say for instance, you want to do a review on one specific company or stock. Let's say we want to review Intel, right? So we go up top where we find a little search icon. We type in Intel ticker symbol, which is INTC. We click on it up top. It's on the NASDAQ. Now, this is the layout of Webull. Now, a lot of you guys that may be first traders, like first in the stock market, will see this as confusing, but honestly it's not. This is what Robinhood should be, but Robinhood is getting you into the investing game. This is like when you're past the new level, trying to like cruise as a boss but not yet a boss. Well, let me go into more details about that. So on the side, you have the initial percentage of the stock movement on the right side right here, where you see the orange circle moving. On the left side, you have the numbers, meaning like where the stock is at, like 51.89 or $52. Below here, that is the volume, how much people get in and out of the stock. Below right here, where you have the 1 day chart, you could have the 5 day chart, you could have the 1 month chart. As you see, it's loading, and you get a bigger volume on the 5 month chart. You could expand the volume of the 5 month chart, as you see right here. You could close it. You go to the 3 month chart, and on 3 month chart, you get the E stands for earning, the D stands for dividend. And yes, by now you could tell that this video would be a little lengthier because I have stuff to go over and review with you guys, but I'll make it short as possible and sweet. Next, you have year, meaning like they show you when the dividend date, the yearly date, the earnings. Then you have 5 year chart. Don't really show you the earnings and dividend, but you get the volume as well, the percentage of growth, and you have max. Now you guys must be wondering what it is this US stock level 143 is. That's when you sign up as like a member of the app itself. My application is going through because I was just testing out this app for like 3 weeks and I've really liked it, so I'm actually going to be an initial member. And don't worry, it's free. You could easily sign up. They just ask for additional documents. When you go down, you have key statistic, meaning like the PE ratio, the forward PE, the yield, meaning the dividend, the EPS. After that, you have the capital flow, and then how much people coming in and out of the company money wise, not people, money wise. And then you have short interest, and after that you have dividend split, showing you when the dividend increases and when the dividend decreases. And then if you want to know about the news of this stock, then you just flick over to the right. You get all the news, and if you really want to know anything about the news, you just have to click it. It goes directly to it, and all you have to do is just read up on it. See, you could read up on it, dancing mushroom people, and read up on it. And say for instance you finish reading and you want to go back, just press the back button. And after that, you have the press release. The press release is like a form 4, that's like insider trading. Like say for instance, when a CEO sell a portion of his stocks, it's government law or federal law that he actually shows it to the public shareholders. So you could just click on it and you could tell how much shares he bought, how much shares he sold. They don't tell you why, but if you're into this investing game long enough, you know that sometimes this doesn't matter and sometimes this does matter. So just keep an eye on it now and then. And why you see me going over this, you have to go multiple places to get all these information at once. So I'm really happy that Webull come out with this platform that just put everything together where I could just flick over and get the information that I need. Now this is the other one I like as well, analytic. So this tell you the rating of analysts for this company. As you see, it's a 17 buy, 14 hold, 2 sell, 2 underperform, 6 strong buy, and this is just for the week. And as you could go down, you see the average, you see the low, you see the current, you see the high, the insight give you a rating. It's 87.97. It's better than 99.44% of stock performance, and it tells you what's the tag on the stock right now. It's hot or the hottest. This right here is what I love. It's a support and resistance. This just shows you like where the stock normally bounce from its low to its high. Right now you can see it's at its support. Hopefully it will bounce, because again, I do own this stock. I'm a long-term investor in Intel. Sorry guys, I will be slipping up on my words because it's a long video. I'm not used to that long of a video, as you could tell on my channel. Now we go over the financial. This is what I love about this app as well. Financial play a big role in me downloading this and keeping it on my phone. First, when you go to financial, you see earning history, right? This shows you the EPS and the revenue, which is, I love that, because I normally have to go on the Nasdaq for it. Multiple people go on multiple sites for those things, but this gives you the information. If you want to just double check if this app is accurate, which it is, if you just trust me or you trust the app itself, I have double checked it multiple times, so it's not like I'm misleading or I'm trying to be misleaded. Below that you have analysts, growth, meaning like the earnings was beat or not, the estimate, income statement. And the cool thing about that, if you want to go in more details with the income statement, all you have to do is just press income statement up top with the arrow, and it shows you everything that a normal income statement sheet has. And if you're like, but hey, clarity, it only show you 2017, all you have to do is go to the right and you just scroll. As you see up top, it's changing in the years: 2015, 2014, 2013, 2012, 2011. It shows you all the balance sheets, not balance sheets, sorry for that, income statement numbers for like 5 to 6 years in advance. You get all the quarterly earnings as well in advance, and if you want to go back, you can. So we're finished with the income statement. Say for instance you want to see the balance sheet. I love looking at balance sheet. It shows you where the company is at right now, the profit, the estimate, the liabilities. So you want to see everything from 5 years back in advance. Again, you could just go over 2016, 2015, 2014, 2013, 2012, and you could just check it out. Again, I won't be going over like the numbers of Intel. I'm just showing you what the app has in store for you. And then if you want to see the cash flow, again, you can look at the operating chart of the cash flow. You could press it again. You can see all the operation of the cash flow for annual and also quarterly. If you want to just not back out and you want to go directly into income statement, you just press cash flow up top and it will show you if you want to press income statement, if you want to press balance sheet, if you want to press cash. Say for instance I want to press balance sheet again, I just press balance sheet, it pulls it up. I really love the app. It's simple once you understand the, how to research a stock. And then we go over to Profolio or Profile. Sorry about that. Again, I'll be slipping up now and then on this. It shows you the name of the company, the address of the headquarters of the company, the number, the summary of the company, what is the company based on, the sector where the company is located. Not where the company is located, but the sector that the company is in. The officers and the directors of the company. This is what I love as well. If you want to press and see everyone, you can. You can look up the name, where they've been, how they done, where they've been, inside trading. If you want to know the exact numbers of how much sold, what price, you can see it right here. As you can see, they've been selling, they've been buying. Institutional holdings, you get holders held, percentage, changing institution holdings. You get which big index fund companies holding, which mutual fund bought these stocks, which mutual fund holding. As you can see, Vanguard, BlackRock, Capital World Investors. You get all of this, and on the right, again, if you flick over, you could take notes, like how you want the stock. You want the stock to be at 45 before you buy. You want the stock to jump at 55 before you sell. That's why I love the stock. And you could come back to those notes at any previous time. And while you're here, you could say, for instance, you want to add this to your watch list. You just press add to watch list down at the bottom, close to the left, where you see trade. That's when you sign up for the app as an actual member. You could press trade and you could buy it. But again, it says, sorry, your account opening application has not been approved yet. As I just told you guys, I just previously applied. I've been going through the app for like 3 weeks, and then I'm seeing how it is. But again, I like it, so I'm applying. My application is in the process. You again, below that, you have watch lists, alerts. Again, this tells you when the stop move above or below your 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 entry point. It sends you an alert to your phone. Your notes, again, you could go back to at any point in time. And if you want more, you could get assimilation holding. You want to send quotas to your friend. You want a chart setting. You want a candlestick setting. It's a lot of stuff, and you could switch. Certain people like certain candlesticks. So, for instance, you want to come back, you could look up any other company. Again, guys, the company doesn't have to be directly in the NASDAQ. It could even be in Germany, in the Germany stock market, in the French stock market, in the English stock market. There's a lot of companies they have in this. If you want to go over past simulation, this is again the watch list overview. If you want to go to all, this will show you all of the stocks that normally Webull watch. You will go over to the United States. These are United States stocks, Canada stocks, and then you have the simulation holdings again. And up top, you could go to like your portfolio, my portfolio, manage watch list. You have a lot of stuff that you could go into with this. Then on the bottom, you could go to market. Market shows you the IPOs, the earnings, the 5-minute gainers, extended hours, top ETFs, hot sectors. And even though you have the hot sectors, you can even click on it and you get the bad sectors, like that's not performing the way it should be, and at the bottom of those hot sectors. And when you click, let me show you guys again. When you click one of those hot sectors, it shows you all the stocks in that sector that's performing well or performing terrible. That's where you find good stocks. That's where I normally find good stocks to research up about. It shows you the net inflow. It shows you the star stocks, market gainers, market losers, market actives, ETFs, Forex, if you're into Forex, commodities. Again, after that, you have trade is in process, as I previously told you. Over, you have streams. Again, this will normally be news. You won't have to be going on Yahoo, Google's, checking different places for news, even though that's a great idea because it's never good to get your news from one source. You could pretty much get it here. They have a diverse stream of information, whether it's from Yahoo, Google. You check out news right here from your portfolio news, like the stocks in your portfolio, what you was buying, what you're not buying. It shows you market news, business news, technology, commodities, currency, cryptocurrency. It's big on cryptocurrency. It shows you Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Monero, Neon. It has all of those that you could track the same way as you could track a normal stock. ETFs, videos, and then you could just explore. You could explore new IPOs, paper trading, global index, executive holdings, all of this. And you could even get advanced quota in like London Stock Exchange. Again, this is just not for the United States. Even though it previously opened for the United States, you could get information from different stock market from this app if you live in the United States. So again, that's the full review of Webull. Been lovely talking to you. Comment down below if you guys think you would download it and try it out, if it looked like a great source of information. Like this video for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you want to see how my portfolio perform in the future or not perform. And I see you guys on my next video. Ciao.